Hi, my beautiful audience. This is Ibrahim, and welcome back again to Describing by Ibrahim. After long days, I couldn't make any single videos because it was busy days for me. Today it is Friday, so I got time and came here and recording a video. So I can say I should. Oh, sorry, I should not. I would like to say something about farmers, because you know that as an English learner, I try to say something about any kind of things, topics. So today I'd like to say about farmers. They are really busy now. It is time May. It is month of May. So in this month, their crops has been ripened, and they are really busy to harvest these crops. Very soon, it will be harvested. All crops already approximately. If I say that 80% crops has been, sorry, not has been. It would be maybe have been. Okay, have been harvested, and 20% is still left, and very soon they will harvest. So I can say that it was really tough for them because last week it was heavy rainfall with thunderstorm, so they couldn't harvest that. And now it is sunny day, a beautiful sunny day it was today. So they are really busy and they are harvesting, and within next 2 days they will harvest all crops and transport their home. After transporting their home, there are many other process like drawing these crops and make them rise. So where women, our hardworking women, no one say about them, no one highlight them, they will work hard. They will dry these crops, especially paddy, then they will help men to make them rise. So if you live village, you know the scenario of this. It was December month. I still remember that time farmers were really busy to prepare this land and hey, what? Oh, plant rice seedling. So now, I forget what I'm saying. I don't know sometime, but I have to say something. So December month, they planted rice seedling and wait for long 5 months. Now it is May, and they are now harvesting. Within 5 months, it was really tough for them. They watered these crops. They used fertilizer, then pesticide and wait, and they are patient. Now when it is time to harvest, and they notice that it is rainfall, thunderstorm, and many natural disaster. So can you imagine the pain of them? How can you imagine? Because you didn't plant this, you can't imagine. I didn't plant these crops, I can't imagine, but they can imagine how pain is it. So it is almost evening. I have to go home. Have a good day. Take care, my dear audience, my dear beautiful audience. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you make any kind of mistake, write down in comment section and use some bad words that you should not say it. Instead of, you can say it. I know that you are beautiful, my audience. You didn't say, you didn't criticize me. You will inspire me so that I make new videos. I know that because I got some beautiful audience. So thank you so much for watching this video.